In today's video, I'm going to teach you what a margin call is on Robinhood, how it works, and what steps you need to take if you ever experience one. Understanding margin calls is crucial whenever you're trading stocks, especially if you're using borrowed funds to invest. Using margin can help you increase your buying power, but it comes with certain risks and responsibilities you need to be aware of. So what exactly is a margin call? Simply put, a margin call happens when the equity in your account falls below the required maintenance level while you're using borrowed money from Robinhood, also known as trading on margin. Your account equity is essentially the current value of your holdings minus the amount you've borrowed. When that equity gets too low, Robinhood will reach out to you. This is called a margin call, and it means you need to either deposit additional funds or sell some of your stocks to make up the difference. If you ignore the call or don't act quickly enough, Robinhood may sell some of your securities automatically to cover the shortfall, which you definitely want to avoid. Let's look at a simple example to see how this works in practice. Imagine you deposit $1,000 into your account and then use margin to buy $2,000 worth of stock. In this case, you're using $1,000 of your own money and borrowing another $1,000 from Robinhood. Now, Robinhood requires you to maintain equity in your account, specifically 25% of the total value of your position. So, with $2,000 worth of stock, the required minimum equity is $500. Now, what happens if the value of your stocks drops to $1,200? Your equity would be the value of the stock, $1,200, minus the $1,000 you borrowed, which leaves you with $200 of equity. That's well below the $500 minimum required. As a result, Robinhood will issue you a margin call. In this situation, you have two ways to resolve the margin call. First, you can deposit $300 in cash to bring your equity back up to the minimum. All you have to do is go to your Robinhood account, navigate to the transfer section, and select deposit to add the funds. Alternatively, you can sell a portion of your stocks to reduce the borrowed amount and increase your equity percentage. To do this, simply select the stock you own and choose the sell option for the amount you need to cover the shortfall. To help prevent another margin call in the future, it's a smart idea to regularly monitor your account's equity levels and margin status. You can do this easily through the Robinhood browser platform. After logging in, click on Account, then Investing, and always keep an eye on your buying power and margin information. By staying informed and proactive, you can manage your investments more confidently and avoid the risk of an unexpected margin call. That's it for today's guide on margin calls in Robinhood. Remember, using margin can amplify both your gains and your losses, so always invest responsibly and keep track of your account limits. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more investing tips and information.